Hello, I'm Alex, and this week we're talking about batch painting. So, if you know me well, batch painting has been core to my painting journey for years now. It's how I've got so many commissions done, it's how I've got so many personal projects done. I'm a really big fan of batch painting, and I take huge inspiration from kind of the Games Workshop Arnie Painter team. In the past, reading articles and interviews of staff and how they've really approached getting like background minis painted. That really inspired my way of painting. Like, I'm a big fan of paint to play, so I like thinking of quick, easy schemes, concepts, the likes of my Nighthaunt, and currently I put together this quick 750 point stone sandcast stormcast list. There's a description card in the top to how I actually paint it, but this is just me talking over with the process in the background. So for me, I think batch painting is a really key part in this hobby. I think it's really good for getting games on the table if you want things painted. You have to make sacrifices though. It's like less is more. Do you need all those colors? You try to cut out the things what you can get away with. And some people would say it's a form of trimming the fat, a bit of laziness. It suits my personality because I don't want to say the term lazy because batch painting takes dedication, but as you see on screen now, I did this in an afternoon and I'm kind of happy with the result. Yeah, the theme's kind of done. It's kind of lazy, stone cast, a bit of texture paint, prime, dry brush, job's done, but I have minis on the table to play now. And I think if you are like that, then batch painting really comes into play, and it took me ages to get disciplined by it. So I used to just paint single minis one at a time, and it just took ages. But with the whole approach of batch painting, it generally changed my hobby for the better. Now, it's not for everyone. Everyone approaches this hobby in their own approach, which is totally fine. But for me, I want to make this video mainly because it's something I've been doing for years now when I've been approaching, as I said, my own personal projects, commission painting, and I'm just a big advocate of it, and I generally thought I should make a video on it. I'll probably make another video in the future showing a more demonstrated approach, maybe painting an entire 40-50 miniatures so you can get a better understanding of the in-depth, how I pick an army and then how I think of a scheme, and then we can go into that detail in a future video. But this is more of an introductory video into batch painting and maybe why you should give it a go if you think you want to give it a go. And if you're just curious about it, leave some comments in the description. Have you done it before? Did you like it? Did you dislike it? Were there certain aspects you took of it and applied it to your own painting style? I'd love to know, because we all just want to have a nada down below, learn from each other, have a laugh and have some good crack. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was kind of cool to talk about it and actually have some footage in the background for something recent I've done literally today when I edited and recorded this video. This is Alex Attempts Tabletop. I'm Alex. If you want to subscribe, like, comment, share, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you to the people on screen. Their support means so much, but also just watching, subscribing, liking and sharing with your friends is also greatly appreciated. So I hopefully see you in the future, new or old. Thank you for dropping on by. Take care.